subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
हेलो गाइस, इस वीडियो में मैं आपको अरिथमेटिक मीन से रिलेटेड एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करके दिखाऊंगा। बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है, लेट्स सी। The question is insert 5 arithmetic means between 8 and 26. Okay, so here you have a is equals to 8 and b is equals to 26 and n is equals to 5. So you can use the formula directly or you can again derive the formula. Okay, so I think that would be better if you again derive the formula. So I'm going to here again derive the formula so that you can learn properly. Okay, and in exams you always use the formula, don't derive it. Okay, because you don't have that much time. So here let a1, a2, a3, a4, a5 are 5 am. From now I'm going to write am, that means arithmetic mean. Okay, am inserted between 8 and 26. Okay, hence 8, a1, a2, a3, a4, a5 and 26 are in AP. Okay, so there are 7 terms. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, there are 7 terms, so we can write it here. 26 equals to, that is b equals to a first term plus n minus 1, n is 7, so that is 6 into d. So this is 26 minus 8 equals to 6d. This is 18 equals to 6d, so d is equals to 3. So common difference is 3. Now we can find that value. So a1 is what? A plus d, so that is a is given 8 plus 3, that is 11. Now a2 is a plus 2d, so 8 plus 2 into 3, that is definitely 14. Again a3 is a plus 3d, so definitely 8 plus 3 into 3, that is 17. a4 a plus 4d, that is a plus 4 into 3, that is 20. And a5, that is our last term, a plus 5d equals to 8 plus 5 into 3, that is 23. So these are the 5 arithmetic mean which you have inserted between 8 and 26. That is what? 11, 14, 17, 20 and 23. Thank you.